started?
I'm done. I'm going, bro.
You might as well call your mama to do that science project for you. That way you can actually pass the 7th grade.
I'm in the 8th grade.
Yeah, but when you get done this year, they're probably going to kick you back 2 years, huh? That's what they told me now.
I'm going to finish this science fair project. I'm almost done with the board.
Yeah, when you pay your mama the $6 you won fishing yesterday to do it for you, you might. Look at that. Olive oil on the chicken wings. This is the same thing we did with the fish last night. We're going to do it with chicken wings. The only problem is our olives have went dry. Our olives give us no more oil. Here, look what we just found.
We got more oil.
Papaya. Imported, organic, extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin.
I don't know what that means. But I guess it's fresh olives, I guess. That, my YouTube friends, is how you refill the olive oil dispensing unit, aka the olive oil squirter. Done. Anyways, as I was saying, we're going to drizzle this olive oil just like we did on the fish. We're going to do it on the wings. And we're going to roll them around, flop them around, slop them around, all that good stuff. Going to toss them back on this old cutting board, skin side down. We're going to season the meat side first. There's that baby again. That was here last night. She acts like her brother.
How?
Anyways, then we're going to season them. And then we're going to do it again and again and again and again. The key thing for me cooking chicken wings is I like to cook them on my gas grill sitting on a cast iron griddle. I'll show you the reason why and all that stuff here in a minute. But for now, we're going to get all these rubbed with some olive oil and get them seasoned. And we will show you when we put them on the grill. Alright y'all, so there they are. We got them seasoned up. We got the cast iron griddle about 350. And we fix to set these babies on there. Get them cooking. Alright, so then what we're going to do, we're going to put just a little bit of olive oil in between them. Just so that it can keep everything free underneath the chicken. And what it'll actually do is it will actually like infrared fry the bottom side of that skin under the chicken. And it will make it some kind of good. So, close that, we'll leave it for about 30 minutes and then we'll be good to go. Yeah, they're doing good. Alright y'all, so them chicken wings are done. They with that olive oil in there, they almost look like they are deep fried almost. It kind of crisps that skin up and they show all pretty. So we're gonna take these up and we're gonna go eat. But get yourself a cast iron griddle and some olive oil next time you're cooking chicken wings. Give that a try. I will personally promise you that you will absolutely love it. We're going to have some chicken wings and some baked beans and some coleslaw. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thank you.